Let's talk about making money the lazy way. Now, in order to make money, you have to go and do a job or complete a task. However, with the age of the internet, we can make working a lot more lazy, and you can get a lot more bang for your buck, if you will. And I've been researching a ton of different side hustles on my channel. I have a lot of different videos on lazy ways to make money online. And I've talked about doing a lot of different side hustles on this channel. For example, maybe starting an Instagram theme page, or creating your own online store, or doing drop shipping. Those are all really great options to make money online. But if we want to be lazy with our work, it would be a good idea to have a passive income. And these things that I just listed are not passive income ideas. They are things that you have to continuously keep working on. You don't just work once and then keep making money, which is, if we're being lazy, we want to work once and keep making money. So with an online store, you would have to keep handling different orders, packaging up orders when people order stuff from you. With an Instagram theme page, you would have to continuously keep posting on this Instagram theme page. But the thing that we're going to be talking about today is especially interesting because you can get monetized in a multiple of ways, meaning we could have a passive income. So this magical, lazy way to make money online is going to be making a faceless YouTube channel. And yes, a YouTube channel where you don't have to show your face, but we're going to be combining it with something. Because remember, we want multiple ways to get monetized and make money. So we're going to partner a faceless YouTube channel with a high payout partner product. And I'll get into what all of that entails. But first, let's talk about starting up a faceless YouTube channel. So step one is always going to be choosing a niche for your channel. And a niche is just going to be simply what your channel is going to be about. For example, the niche of my channel would be finance, because I'm talking about all things to do with money, how to make money online, and I have made videos on my channel talking about different niches as well. So we're not going to get into too much of that right now, but some good niches would include things like finance, travel, relationships, health, fitness. Like, there's just so many different possibilities. It's really just any broad topic. But then once you have this niche picked out, you're going to head on over to maybe Digistore24 or clickbank.com. And you're going to check on these websites if there are high payout partner products that fit within your niche that you've chosen. For example, if your channel has to do with finance, you could head on over to Digistore24 and maybe pick out a digital course that has to do with finance. And I don't know, maybe you could pick out a really cool course that Make Money Matt has, my brother, that is called To Mastery and Monetization. He just teaches how to grow with a YouTube channel and make money with it. A little promo there, but that's just a good example. If you had a finance channel, you could pick a digital product like that. But the key here is you want to find digital products that pay out around $150 to $500 because we want to be making some good money. So when you're getting started with a faceless YouTube channel, I would recommend maybe gathering around 30 video ideas. And you might be wondering, well, what do I even make my videos about if my niche is finance, or if my niche is travel, or if my niche is beauty? Well, you could get around 15 video ideas by doing different keyword researching on something like vidIQ to see what words within your niche are getting more clicks and views. And then you could get the other 15 video ideas from just popular videos. And then another idea here is to simply search your niche on YouTube and see what is trending and what is doing well, and model your videos off of ideas that are getting good views. Now, we mentioned that this channel is going to be a faceless YouTube channel, but what exactly does that entail? What does it look like? I found a few examples to show you guys so you can view what a faceless YouTube channel really looks like. For example, this is a travel channel called World According to Briggs. He shows his face on some of his thumbnails, which he doesn't need to do, that's just a personal choice. But if you go onto his videos, you can see that he doesn't show his face at all. And he's just talking about different travel destinations and places to visit. And he's just simply compiling different stock photos and videos and doing a voiceover talking about what he's showing on the screen. And then there is this channel called Brainy Dose, which is a really good example of just a faceless psychology channel. And again, they're just using stock photos and videos with a voiceover. So in order to create content that looks like these examples that I've just given, first you have to simply just generate a script. or maybe just even an outline to keep you on track and know what you're talking about. You can do a little bit of research here and there. You could even use ChatGPT to fill in some extra facts. And then you simply can just do a voiceover where you can even just record with the microphone on your phone. That works just fine. Or you could just get a cheap microphone from Amazon. I know mine is from Amazon, and it works just fine. And then you can find these different stock photos and videos from copyright-free websites. And then you just compile that all together, put your voiceover on top of that, come up with a good thumbnail and a title, and boom, you already have a video. And you could literally do all of this just laying in your own bed. And I know in a lot of my other videos and my brother Matt's channel, we talk about more in depth how to start a faceless YouTube channel. And of course, the course that he teaches is really helpful for that as well if you want a deeper dive into any of these particular subjects like thumbnails and video editing. Okay, so there are a few different ways that we could go about actually creating this content. And the first way would be just creating all of this yourself. So again, you would write the script, record your voiceover, compile all your stock photos and videos, and edit it all together. For writing your script, if you ever get stuck, the good news is Google is just right at our fingertips. So any questions that you have, you can simply just Google or watch other YouTube videos talking about the same topics. Also, for creating thumbnails, there are a ton of different free photo editing softwares. Canva is a really good one, and so is Snappa. They even have specific thumbnail templates to help you set up your thumbnail. It can take a lot of work to generate a video that you are happy with. However, when you make these videos, they live on the internet forever, so which can sound scary, but that also means they can make money for you forever. So starting out a YouTube channel, you might be like, Kayla, how is this even a lazy way to make money? But trust me, as time goes on, it becomes a very big passive income. Okay, now the next way that we could create this content is through the use of AI. So again, you can use different AI tools to help you generate your script, or just build an outline for your script, or simply write your script, or to maybe even add some funny jokes here and there within your script that you've already made. You could also use AI to create voiceovers for your channel, and they have some really human sounding ones nowadays. A good place to find an AI voiceover would be v.io. You can simply put in your text and then they can have a little robot say whatever you want to say. v.io also has built-in stock photos that you can utilize as well. And then in regards to thumbnails and AI, it is pretty easy and lazy to be creating your own thumbnails, as there are a lot of different preset templates that you can utilize. Again, a thumbnail is just going to be maybe a main topic. So let's say you're making a video that is talking about whales. Let's put a big whale right here in the thumbnail, and then you could put your text talking about what the video is, like top 5 whale encounters, like boom, thumbnail. And then just make it look colorful and pretty. Now the next way that you could generate your content is hiring other people to create this content for you, which in my opinion is the laziest way that you could possibly start up a YouTube channel. And I'm not saying that in a bad way. That's kind of the focus of this video. Now this option might not be reachable to everybody because you're gonna need to have some money set aside to put into your YouTube channel. But the only thing you would need to do here is simply come up with a video idea, and then you could find different people to fill in these different roles for you and just simply hire them to do these roles. And you can find these services on places like Fiverr and Upwork, but you can simply just hire people to write your scripts, edit your videos, create your thumbnails. Again, this does take some money to start out with, but it can pay off in the future. Or maybe let's say you're not good at editing videos, but you're good at writing scripts and creating your thumbnails. Well, you could simply just hire somebody to edit the videos for you, or maybe you could hire somebody to write these scripts for you and then you do all of the other work. You could hire somebody to edit your videos, you could use AI to write your scripts, and then you could use your own mind to create your thumbnails. So there's a lot of different ways you could go about this. But now let's talk about optimizing your videos. Again, it is important to do keyword research because you want to know what is trending and you want to know who to appeal to. vidIQ is a great resource for finding these different keywords. Another tip is you want to make sure to stay within one niche. So if you're making a finance channel, strictly stay within the finance realm. But there are a lot of different possibilities within one niche, so you truly aren't going to start running out of ideas. And then if you're using similar keywords on your videos, your viewers might be watching one video, and then with the algorithm, they'll see another one of your videos pop up and click on that one. Okay, now it is time to partner this faceless YouTube channel with a high payout partner product. Now this might sound super confusing and you don't know what this means, but trust me, it is really simple. So like we talked about earlier, you're gonna find this product on Digistore24 or ClickBank, and you're just gonna find this product that fits within your niche. So you could have a channel that has to do with makeup. So once you find this specific product, you're going to grab your affiliate link. And it is a special link created just for you. So feel special. And then once you have this link, you are going to put it in the descriptions of your videos, promote it within your videos, pin it in the comment sections of your videos. You just want people to see this link and get curious and click on your link, and then possibly buy the products from your link. Because once people start buying this product from your link, you start making money. As this is what affiliate marketing is. You are promoting somebody else's product, and then when somebody buys this product from your magical link that you have, you get commission from this sale. Which is why I want you guys to choose something that pays out a lot of money. For example, if you're promoting something that costs $1,000, you could be making around $500 each sale. But again, it just depends on what percent of commission you're getting and all that. But YouTube is a great traffic source for promoting things like an affiliate link, because you're gathering an audience that is all there for one reason, which is your niche that you're bringing to the table. And then you're promoting products within that niche, so you're promoting it to the right audience as well. So maybe let's say you have 1 month where you're not getting many sales through your affiliate link, but you're getting a lot of money for your ad revenue, or vice versa. You're not getting too many views on your YouTube videos, but you're getting a lot of sales from your link. Or maybe both of them are booming at the same time. Either way, you can potentially be making a lot of money with these two sources. And then I really like this option too, because when you start a YouTube channel, you aren't monetized right away, so you aren't making money right away. But with this affiliate link, you can start making money right away, so you're getting monetized before you're actually monetized. Which is crazy, mind blown. And if you're getting around a $500 commission and just one person buys this product a day, and this happens for a week, you would be making $3,500 in just 1 week from 7 sales. And then maybe you build this YouTube channel with just yourself, but you start making money through your affiliate links and your monetization. Then you could maybe even start hiring other people down the line to maybe like create your thumbnails for you and edit your videos, so you don't have to worry about any of that. With having YouTube and the internet, it is just such a great opportunity to get online and start making some real money. Truly, you just need to make sure that you're following the correct steps in order to be successful online and with YouTube. Now, if you're interested in making this faceless YouTube channel a reality, make sure to click on this video right here. It is my brother's video, and it's basically like a free training course, if you will. He talks about how to get started with this faceless YouTube channel, the best niches to create a YouTube channel on, what types of videos and content to make in those niches. He talks about how to get your channel monetized and make as much money as potentially possible. So make sure to check it out. It's a really great video, and we'll see you guys there. Bye.